Have you been looking for a way out of the attack of your enemies? Have you ever felt helpless in the presence of your enemies? Then this video is for you. Like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome back to my channel. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural plants, natural roots, natural herb, natural materials that God has created, harnessing their spiritual properties, spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video. Give this video a like, share this video. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, my returning viewers, you know who you are. Those of you who has brought me this far, those of you who has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind. What about those of you who have been introducing me to people? Those of you who have been calling me on WhatsApp, testifying of what God is using me to do on here. I pray for you that it shall be well with you. Where others go and find it difficult, it shall be easy for you. Whatsoever that made you to come in contact of my face or my voice, my God is going to solve it for you. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, wait for your own testimony. All you need to do, keep subscribing to this channel, like this video, and share this video. In order not to waste your time, in today's video, I want to share with us how to destroy the life of your enemies using black magic, casting black magic on him or her that has been causing chaos, causing catastrophe in your life, making life miserable for you. Do you want to destroy the life of your enemy? Do you want to put black magic on that man, on that woman that has sworn never to have you rest? That man that has been manipulating you, sending evil projection in your life, sending sicknesses and diseases. Do you want to destroy his life or her life? Do you want to come out of the attack of your enemy? I say unto you today, suffer no more. That spiritual recipe or spiritual spell that you have been looking for, it is on your doorstep. Make sure you watch this video to the end. The material for this particular spiritual powerful recipe that you will be needing, number one, is a black cloth. Yes, if you can't find a black cloth, go and look for black plastic or black nylon or black poly bag. That is number one material we'll be needing. Another item we'll be needing is your ginger. Ginger. In order to destroy the life of that man, that woman, we are casting black spell on them. We are going to serve them with the same meal that they have served us. Anywhere they have registered our name, any kingdom they have passed our information to, that they are operating us, manipulating us, sending affliction, sending sicknesses and diseases, we are going to destroy it all and return it back to sender to them and cast a spell to them through this recipe. So get me your ginger. The another item you will be needing is your black pepper. In order to put chaos, in order to put catastrophe, in order to make them suffer, in order to pepper them, peri, black chili. That is what you will be needing. This is the black chili. The last but not the least is your lemon. Yes, lemon has the power to destroy. It has the power to cleanse. It has the power to drive away evil attack, negative energy. It has the power to liberate you. It has the power to destroy and to protect you, to destroy all charm. Lemon has the power. So how are you going to do this recipe? In order to cast a black spell on that man, to destroy that evil man, that evil woman, to destroy their life, you will be writing their name with a black marker or a red marker on the lemon. If you know their name, write their name one after the other. But if you don't know their name, write all my enemies on the lemon. Then you get your ginger. You also use your marker or your sharp object to write the name of that man or that woman that you want to destroy his or her life, that you want to cast this black magic on the person. Write the name with a sharp object or marker. If it is 4 people, you need to get 4 ginger. then you know that you are going to get a white plastic or a white black cloth that you are going to use to tie them, because you will tie them down. Then after doing all this, before I go in to tell you how you are going to make this for it to work on your favor, I would like to introduce my product because it is called Walk and Chop. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, please consider subscribing, like this video and share it. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist, and on this channel I have my spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it all over the world. It has been testimony galore, and your testimony will never pass you by. If you need any of this product that I mentioned on here, don't hesitate to contact me on my cell phone number +2347088136610. That is my number. We have the course breaking soap, we have the road opening soap, we have the back to sender soap, we have the hand me not soap, we have the anti-witchcraft soap, we have the spiritual cleansing back detox, we have the love and attraction soap, we have the favor soap, we have the mercy and love soap, we have the stop evil oil, we have the 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil, we have protection bracelets, attraction bracelets, we have original pancane oil, we have original alligator pepper spiritually charged by my own hands, and the last but not the least, we have the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Are you suffering from moving object? Is it something crawling inside your body? Is it something going all over your body? Is it something sucking your blood? Are you feeling burning all over your body? Are you feeling scratches all over your body? And you have taken a lot of medication and the thing is still there? You have gone to the hospital, the doctors have diagnosed it, they have checked if you have infection, if you have HIV, if you have infection, but there is no infection, but you are dying slowly. You are sick within you. People see you as somebody who is okay, but within you, you are sick. Something is moving all over your body, inside your belly, making you to feel weak, making life miserable for you, crawling all over your body, and you don't know what to do. Contact me. I have the product that will help you. It is called Equable Plus detox, anti-witchcraft poison remover, and moving object dissolver. It is tested and trusted. I beat up my chest 100 times and tell you that this my product has saved a lot of life. If you need it, don't hesitate to call me +2347088136610. Please share this video for me. Like this video and comment on the comment section if there is anything you don't understand. I am open to communication. If you need me to do anything spiritually for you, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, in order to cast this spell, this black magic spell, on that man, that woman that is your enemy, that has been planning to destroy you, that you have been looking for a way to come out of the attack. Like as I listed before, you will be needing your lemon, and it has to be one lemon. Then when you get this one lemon, we are now going into practical. So I have to bring down the video for you to see what I'm going to do now. When you bring down the lemon, you are going to cut it into half. You have cut the life of your enemy into half. Look at it. Then keep it this way. Bring your black pepper. You know the name of the person or the name of the people you have written on the lemon and on the ginger. And you are casting this spell at night, because it is the night that the witches operates. Then you pour your black pepper on the 2 cuts of the lemon. Then you bring your gingers that you have written the names of your enemies to. My enemies that you have written the name. Look at how you put it. If the ginger is more than 1, if it is like 4 or 5 names you have written, just use this to rub on it. Use this to rub on the ginger, because you are casting the spell. After that, bring the leather bag or the black cloth and apply each and every one of them inside the black leather bag. Then you are going to tie it up. You are going to tie it up. Remember, this recipe you will do it at night, at midnight. Then you begin to call the name as you are holding it. You say, you that man, you that woman, that is my enemy, that have been standing against my prosperity, that has been standing against my destiny, that has been making life miserable and causing chaos and catastrophe in my life. Today I cast this black magic for you. Anywhere you are, whatsoever that you wish me, let it return back to sender. If you wish me death, receive death. If you wish me sick, receive sick. If you wish me poverty, receive poverty. If you wish me barrenness, let it return back to sender to you. Whatsoever you have wished me with your mouth, today I cast that spell on you, and I liberate myself. I call my name out from your coven. I call my name out from your altar. Let the universe judge you. Let the earth judge you. Let the God in heaven judge you. As I have blacked you up, I have tied you up, and I have blackfolded you. No man on earth will remove you. No woman on earth will remove you. No spirit will come for your rescue. That which you have preserved for me, let it return back to sender to you. Say whatsoever you want. Remember, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. You must pray your way out. Without holiness, no eyes can see the Lord. And you must pray your way out, because if you're a Bible student, the Bible says pray in all season. Without ceasing, you pray your way out. Then after making the prayers, this thing you have to dispose it at night, at midnight. You either look for a stream where you will throw it inside, or a lagoon where you will throw it inside. Yes, you must throw it inside a flowing river, or a lagoon, or a canal, or a gutter where nobody will pick it up again. Then this recipe, you have cast the black magic spell on that your enemy. Go and try this out. Anointing no be juju and power no be powder. And if you have never subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and also comment on the comment section. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. If there's anything you don't understand, don't hesitate to ask me on the comment section. I will answer you. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.